Clean up grout and adhesive while they are still workable to avoid staining and hard to remove residue. After the grout has set for the manufacturer recommended time, which is typically between 15 and 30 minutes depending on the mix and temperature, use a damp, not soaking, sponge to wipe tile faces in a figure 8 motion to remove the grout haze. Rinse the sponge frequently in clean water and change the rinse water when it becomes cloudy, so you are not smearing grit back onto the tiles. For adhesive smears that have not fully cured, soften by applying a small amount of warm water or a manufacturer-approved solvent to the area and gently lift with a firm plastic scraper held flat against the tile to avoid scratching. If the adhesive is already hardened, score along the smear with the plastic edge and work slowly to peel it away. Or use a non-metal razor only on very hard glazed tiles using extreme care and a low angle to prevent chipping. Once the grout has fully cured, use a dry microfiber cloth or a specialized grout haze remover following labeled directions to polish tiles, and always test the remover on a hidden tile first. Keep ventilation good and wear nitrile gloves when using solvents, and wait the full cure time before walking on the floor to prevent recontamination. A common mistake is using too much water during the initial cleanup, which dilutes grout and creates a weaker joint and excessive haze. Avoid this by using only a damp sponge and changing water often. Another issue is scraping with metal tools which can scratch or chip tiles. Switch to a firm plastic scraper or a non-metal razor on suitable glazed surfaces and use light pressure. People also often wait too long to remove adhesive smears, making them nearly impossible to remove without harsh chemicals. Address this by removing as much wet adhesive as possible during installation and keeping a small container of warm water and a plastic scraper handy for quick touch-ups. We run bighomeprojects.com, and we help homeowners find trusted local contractors for tile and other home projects. We also help contractors find work and connect with local customers, and we host a discussion community where people and pros share tips and ask real questions.